Presently, the BMW 740e iPerformance plug-in hybrid, the 740 Lahire, pairs a 255 horsepower, 2.0-liter four-cylinder with an electric motor rated at 111 horsepower. Total output stands at 322 horsepower, and the 9.4 kWh lithium-ion battery can get the car 14 miles down the road on electricity alone. But the 7 Series lineup will get a mid-cycle refresh next year, and BMW Blog says the 740e will add its own goodies to the upgrade, an overall power boost to around 390 horsepower, denser batteries like those used in the revamped i3 and i's, and a more potent electric motor that will extend electric driving range. The big hybrid's plan includes the wireless charging feature announced for the 530e earlier this year. BMW showed off a prototype arrangement with a portable transmitter coil with an output of up to 3.2 kilowatts. The system can fully recharge 530e's 9.2 kWh battery in 3.5 hours. The breadth of updates means the 740e gets a nomenclature change, becoming the 745e. BMW Blog says the X5 xDrive 40e is in line for improvement, too, and will become the xDrive 45e. Throughout the 7 Series range, every model will come with live cockpit, a digital gauge cluster resembling those seen on the Z4 Concept and 8 Series Concept. Outside, expect tweaked front and rear fascias, new headlights and taillights, and perhaps a substantial rise in self-driving capability. Finally, it appears that BMW execs are considering returning the short-wheelbase 7 Series to the US market. The current generation ditched the short 7 here, supposedly on the advice of the local marketing department. Look for the refreshed 7 Series to appear sometime around next year's Paris Motor Show.